Hi there people, it's Hisham, and today I'm going to show you how to use GPT4o and OpenAI Assistance API inside of Google Sheets. Actually, it was a client project of mine, and I didn't know that it was possible to connect the Assistance API to Google Sheets, but I did it and I made a solution out of it, and today I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's get into it. Basically, we're gonna copy the code from my school community where I put the resource for it and also this document. We're gonna go to, well, I'll put this link down in the description. We're gonna go to Classroom, Projects and Templates, and you're gonna find it here. We are gonna download this one. New download. Here is it. And simply we're gonna copy this code, and I'm going to create a new Google Sheets. I already made a template for you to just create a copy of, but I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch so you know how the process goes with creating automations inside of Google Sheets. So let's zoom out real quick. We will rename the sheet Assistance API demo. We're gonna go to extensions and app scripts, and then it's gonna create the project. Let me rename this one Assistance API demo, and yeah, I'm just gonna go paste my code right here, and here it's gonna get a bit technical, but it's not very technical. Anyone can understand this. So we're just gonna go rename our sheet to assistant IDs. Basically, I have created it in a way to detect what sheet name you're using. If you're using, for example, I don't know, I mean, for the sake of the demo, let's try assistance or OpenAI assistance, let's say. And here on the template, it's called assistant IDs, but here let's name it OpenAI assistance. And once you rename it or you change the name of the sheets, you're gonna paste the name right here between the two parentheses. Oops, yeah. Right here, and then this is the where the fun part begins. So basically, every OpenAI assistant, sorry, have an ID. I created a simple assistant for the sake of this video. It's basically a dumb assistant that whenever I say anything, it responds to, by banana Dumbo. Yeah, I didn't prompt it well. Respond to anything I say by banana Dumbo, and I chose GPT4o for the sake of it. And yeah, let's copy the assistant ID. You're gonna find it here. This solution would need access to your billing, like you gotta set up your billing and put in your credit card on this. It's very cheap, it doesn't cost much. This solution is very scalable, and it's very useful when it comes to sales, marketing, or processes when you have lots of data to process with AI basically. So yeah. Yeah, we copied this assistant ID, and I'm gonna get an API key. Actually, I got one. This is the API key. I'm not gonna show it to you. Yeah. So let's do this right here. After we have copied the ID, we're just gonna paste it randomly here. Let's say in cell A1, but here it's in B2 because in the template I made it so it gets B2. So let's change it for the sake of the video, and you can learn how to do it. So let's say A1, And whenever you add a new ID, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna copy this, paste it, and change only the cell. So cell A2 and then A3. For example, if I have a fourth assistant, what I'm gonna do is copy and paste, change the 3 to a 4, then do A4. I'm gonna go down, and then I'm just gonna copy this code right here. I'm just gonna change here on assistant ID, I'm just gonna put 4, and in the name I'm gonna change A4. This is in the case if you want to add a new assistant to your sheets. So yeah, I mean, let's go back. It's all set up right now. Let me delete also this. Yeah, it's all set up now. It's taken into account the assistant ID. Now what you're gonna do is either reload here, as I said, either run the onOpen function or reload your sheets. I mean, let's run the onOpen function, and let's authorize this script. And here you're just gonna accept and authorize. It's all set and done. Here you're gonna find a new menu. It's called OpenAI API key. Here is where you oh, oops, sorry, I'm just trying to zoom in. So here is where you're gonna set your OpenAI API key. I'm just gonna paste mine real quick and press OK. Just a second. When you have put the OpenAI API key, it's gonna tell you that you set it successfully and everything is ready to go. Actually, let's test it out. For example, we are gonna create a new Google Sheet. Test. Let's say we have a bunch of data. Hi, test, banana, banana, random. I don't know. It's just names, and I only have one assistant for this use case. I'm gonna write equal GPT4o. You're gonna have the details of this function right here. Starts an interaction with the OpenAI assistant. And then I'm gonna state or refer to the cell that has my text. In this case, it's A1. And it's gonna return banana Dumbo, as you see here. If I'm gonna apply it for all the other texts, it's gonna take A2, A3, or A4, as you see. And that's pretty much it. And if you want to use GPT4o, the formula for it is very simple. Oops, it's very simple. I have written all the steps here in detail and how to use the formulas actually. And here you're gonna see how to use it. Yeah, this was for my client actually, but for third assistant, second assistant, yeah, just like this. And yeah, let's try and use GPT4o real quick. Yeah, equal GPT4o. Why didn't? Yeah, I mean, the prompt is tell me, respond with banana Dumbo if my text is high. And then we're gonna refer to the second to the cell where the text is, and then it will return banana Dumbo. And let's test it out. Doesn't, yeah, it looks like your text isn't high. Please try again. So if, let's move the prompt. If the text is not high, respond with angry banana Dumbo. So it's a I don't know, it's random. Now it's hallucinating, as you see. Yeah. Angry banana Dumbo test banana. I mean, this is a silly test, but you can see the integration, how it goes. So basically, it's very simple actually. There is no technical hassle when setting this up. It's really quick and ready to go. I've made it simple to you with, well, having the code and then also having Google Docs guide. And yeah, let me link real quick this sheets. When you will have this sheets, you're gonna go to file and then create a copy for yourself, and you're gonna find it inside of here. Find it here. Also find it in the school community. And here is the Google Sheets template. You're gonna find the link right here. You're just gonna click and find it right here. So this was a very quick video to show you how I integrated the OpenAI Assistant API. I hope the video was quick and very useful to you, and let's automate. This is a catchy phrase. I don't know if it's a catchy phrase, but deuces, goodbye.